Hey guys, welcome to another video of Quick Bites Revision. Today we're looking at probability. So here's the question. Pause the video and have a go. So question 9. Kit has a bag of 26 pieces of fabric. Now, as I read these kinds of questions, I like to just underline important information. So 7 of the pieces are green, 10 of the pieces are orange, 9 of the pieces are purple. Kit takes at random a piece of fabric from the bag. Write down the probability that Kit takes a green piece of fabric. So if I look back at the question, green was 7. But it's a probability, guys. So we need to know how many choices there are. So there's 7 green to choose from 26 pieces altogether. 7 out of 26. What's the probability that he does not take a purple piece of fabric? Now there are 9 fabrics that are purple. And if I do 26 take away 9, that's equal to 17. 17 pieces of fabric that are not purple. So that's 17 out of 26 pieces of fabric altogether. The third part of the question was here. So Kit takes a blue piece of fabric. There are no blue pieces of fabric here. So there's no way he can choose a blue piece. So we say 0. If you got those correct, well done, move on. If not, let's do a quick bit of revision. Okay, so when you have probability of something, I'm going to say I've got this bag of marbles. Okay, I've got blue marbles and white marbles. Let's go over some notations as well. So if I say P blue, that means the probability of choosing a blue marble. Okay, now altogether there are 1, 2, 3 blue marbles, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marbles altogether. That means you can choose 3 out of 7. So we write it as a fraction. You can also leave probabilities as decimals, but in this one it's easier as a fraction for now. And the probability of not blue, now we can either just count it and say there's 1, 2, 3, 4 marbles that are not blue, and say that's still 4 out of 7 because there's 7 choices altogether. Or another way to do this, when you see not blue, you do the probability of 1 take away the probability of blue. And we know that is 3 out of 7. So do 1 minus 3 out of 7. Now the number 1 is the same as saying 7 out of 7. Because there's 7 marbles altogether, and you can choose any marbles for 7. The total probability is always going to equal to 1. So I do 7 over 7, take away 3 over 7. Remember, when we add and subtract fractions, the denominator stays the same, as long as they're the same. And then we just do 7, take away 3, which gives us 4. And if you take a look, that's the same as what we had there as well. Okay, make sure you know these definitions, and make sure you know how to do 1 take away whatever it is that you're doing the not probability of. Okay, so let's try another question. Here we go, guys. Pause the video and have a go. Right, so I've got this time. Kit has a bag of 36 pieces of fabric. 9 of the pieces are green. 15 of the pieces are orange. 12 of the pieces are purple.